Yes, hello everyone. We are live. Uh, how is everyone so far? Just still trying to get my stuff together. Make sure everyone can hear me. You can all hear me. Yes, they can all hear me. They can all hear me. Thousands of people. All good, all good. All good. All good. Why don't we jump to our yes. Hello all. Hello. We're about 12 minutes away from the New York Open. How is everyone? How is everyone? Let's have a look at the daily chart. Let's have another quick look. Top down, see where we're at. Looks like we've opened and come straight down. Let's try and mitigate most of this candle, previous day's candle, which was quite a big move up. Almost there. I think we can possibly move a bit further down, maybe even close this gap. Daily chart. Not that I use a bias. No, not that I use a bias. I still think at some stage we're going to close this gap here. There's the open from last week, or from Monday to last week. Even though it doesn't look like it's going to come down. It's just gone through that from 9 o'clock this morning. We're in this little box. It's boxed in. Box, as I say in the Formula One. That's the 1 hour chart, 15-minute chart. Broke some lows here. Might get to that level up there. Let's put a little target there. Do a bit of a liquidity grab. Might bounce off because of that fair value up above it. When I see on the 15-minute chart, where I like to sort of put some what I think are significant swings, highs and lows. Maybe that one there. Plonk that there. That's about it. I can see that. Don't need to put one there. That's about it. That's about it. Still got another 9 minutes. Still got another 9 minutes. While we were waiting during the London session, we actually did the Wordle puzzle in 3 goes. There's a reason why we've done it 3 goes, because I'm a Wordle champion. No, I'm not. So we'll just wait. Wait for the open. I will also wait for the orb. uh, hmm. Not doing much at the moment. About 6.5 minutes left. Uh, what's very loud? My that thing. My humming. Oh, you can hear that? Is that playing now, is it? Hang on. How did you hear that? No, I didn't. Maybe I don't know if I've added it right. uh, yeah, I didn't play it though. That's the thing. And desktop is disabled. I just sort of added it to my scene here. Probably didn't have it right. Yeah, might sort of need to do that at another stage, I think. Anywho, 2.5 minutes left. Uh, yeah, it's all right. I can. I'll work it out after this stream, after this session, after this sesh, as they say, sesh. After this sesh. Thanks, mate. Hmm. Minute and a half left. Minute and a half left. Tapping on the VWAP. Happy to tap that. It has not respected it today. No respect at all. People, if you're in a trade, careful. Careful, it's going to move. And we are live. Sorry, no bell for this session. We will have it for tomorrow. Okay, pushing up now. Up to the 22 in the 90s now. It's in the 100s. Let's see if it pokes through that. That's the 5-minute chart. Where am I? Oh, geez, that was late. That second EMA. Pushing up, staying into the 100s. Where's have another look at the pivot. Nothing there. Staying in the 100s. They're going to retrace backwards back into here. Change. That's the pivots. Do we go back towards the daily open? Break through that? Or do we come back down? Initially I said that my bias was down. Daily bias. Drop down a bit more. That's not working well, that indicator. We'll push further up. Just wait. What's bookmap showing? Oh, orders further up. There are orders further up. Not in a trade yet. 5 minutes in. This could come down. Could also go up. Dropping further down after hitting the 100s. Back to 75. Gold is moving down a bit as well. Same as the US now. And back down, touching that VWAP.
We got to get right through that 90 area next. I'm going long here. Stop below the 60s. Looking for a push
Almost
above
10
the
minutes in.
110s. Nice and easy, baby. Give it to me. Let me see it. Oh, God.
That is not. Yeah, I didn't think that was the orb there. The orb should be there and there. What's this? Ah. Back into the 80s.
Let's ramp it right here. Need to ramp through the 90s.
Is that a little bull flag there?
I'm long here at the 85s. Looking for a squeeze up through the 90s next. Giving it a little bit of room. Trouble there at the 90s again. Might have to get stopped out. Let me see. I'm going to maybe move my stop up here. I want to see where this candle closes at. We got 20 seconds left on this candle here. I want to close above that 85 area on this candle.
I need to get rid of that. Mm. Audio output capture. Oh, is it still coming through? Trying to add that bell, and I tried to use. I was reading something. I reckon I've stuffed a few things up. Audio. The source should be audio in, which I'm like, that doesn't sound right. Yeah, I need to get rid of this. Yeah, I don't have desktop there at all, but I've got this. Uh, this audio output capture now. Dumping now. Oh man, I need to go. I didn't get a chance to go to the toilet before. It's embarrassing. I'll I'll be 2 minutes. I'll be right back. All right. Okay, I'm back. I'm back. Mm, mm. Sorry about that. You gotta go. You gotta go. We have got the orb set. We do. We do. That's the I don't know if I want to use these pivots. I don't get it. I've used in the past. Moving back up. We're in the middle of this range at the moment. New York Open in the 60s. Oh, I found the culprits. All right. Still meandering around here. Meandering. You like that one? Meandering? Showing my age, isn't it? That word? Meandering. Uh, pushing back down. Stuff these pivot points. I wonder if we target this spot again. Maybe break those lows. If we no lock. Okay. I like my dotted yellow lines. It's like a warning. Warning, danger, Will Robinson. Ah, not that old. Yeah. I watched an episode today of Seinfeld. Gotta love the Drake. George, George parked up in the disabled spot. Totally trashed his car. Um, you were either Seinfeld or Friends. Seinfeld or Friends? Seinfeld every day of the week. Friends doesn't even come close. Uh, Pushing back up now into the 70s. Still no trade yet. Still no trade yet. Oh yeah, is that an old one? They're having a coffee. Is that the Seinfeld one where he picks him up and drives him to a cafe? Or was that like an actual podcast in a studio? Pushing back up now in the 80s. Oh yeah. I like Gervais. Hey, to test something. Let me know if you can hear Patrick again. Can you hear anything now? Yes, no, Robbie? Oh, good. Thank you. Thanks, mate. I don't know why. I just find him funny. That's why I have him sort of. I want to listen to Patrick in the background. When he goes off, it's funny. Yeah, I know. That's why it's funny. When he tells his chat off, calls them retards. It's hilarious. I think it's all a show. Big push up now. Did Trump say something? Nope. Yeah, it'll change a lot of people, I think. Very choppy here. It's not. Doesn't look good to put a trade on. Yeah, only a minute and a half away from new hour, and could spike up or down right on the hour. And we got news too, have we? Yellow folder. Nothing. 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 Using 35 seconds. I don't think that's going to move it, but I think it's going to move because it's going to be on the hour. Oh, here we go. Pushing up. Let's see if we close above that opening range. Me as well. There's a counting me watching too. Yeah. Hit the like button, people. Whoever's watching, smash that like button. It helps somehow. I don't know how, but it does help. I'm not a computer nerd anymore. Are we going up? Are we going up? That bouncing off that 9 EMA. EMAs are crossed over here. Looks like an uptrend. Go for a little. Hey, what have we done here? Come down. Took that low. Mitigated. About halfway down this candle. We're shooting back up now. We're shooting back up now. Put all your accounts on this stream. Let's get all eyes on this stream. What's gold doing? Let's have a look at have a look at gold. Not much. Not much. I'm not putting any trades in yet. Still waiting on Apex to tell me if they're going to. So Thursday is Juneteenth. Okay. Thursday night. Well, Thursday our night. Trading halts at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Trading resumes at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's 10 o'clock there now. So 2 in the morning. Ooh. Interesting. Interesting. Yeah. Still under review. What's slow? Me, I'm slow. The way it's moving slow? It is moving slow. Pushing up. Yeah. Seems a bit slow. It is slow. Very slow. Very, very slow. Mm. What's map showing us? Oh yeah, decent order at the 22,100. Only 10 points away. Yes, same. Even though we think it's pushing up, I'm not putting an entry in there. I'd rather see a retrace. Maybe back to low 80s. Pushing for that 100. There was a big order there. It's probably taken it. Yeah, it just took it. But no, yeah, I didn't. I should have done the silver bullet today. I tested it during the London, so you should have done it here too. Look at that. Perfect. To move back up. Look at that. I forgot about the silver bullet. Oh man. I'm gonna put a little look at that. I would have come in here. Stop loss there. That was the target. 1 to 2 risk reward. Nothing wrong with that. You want? Oh, could have been gone. 20. Might have even risked 1 mini for it. 20. Hang on. Yeah, 20 something points, or maybe half. Maybe put 5, 6 micros on it. Maybe 5. No problem at all. The old silver bullet. I need to get the sound of a bullet hitting metal, like the old Western days. I need like a cheat sheet. What to look out for? The orb, the IB box, silver bullet. You can yellow it from here. You reckon it's going to yellow from here? Well, let's see if we close above this. Still got 3 minutes left for the 15-minute candle. The 5-minute candle. 2-minute candle, 20 seconds. Yeah, potentially. Electric's going off. Look map, yes. More trades further up. I'll just go for a quick one. Now I'm gonna wait for a retrace. I'm not gonna chase, poke through that, all that. Although we should be going long here. Yellow, what you reckon? Let's yellow this when it count. Is it number 29? There you go. Target 152. Let's go to the daily open 176 even. I'll just flick it over to, you can see Ninja Trader. Value's below though. That's why I think that's a bad trade. No cock with no glory. I'll put it in. I should be waiting for a retrace here. Quickly throw the stop loss to break even. Oh, here we go. Doing. Always in. Always in short. Yeah, I know, but we'll see. I don't know. Still don't know. Not confident here. Retreat. Come on. Push that. Give me a new low over here. Hey, Satisfy. How are you, buddy? Hope you're well. In a long year, I've got it way too late, but we'll manage the trade. I got to recover the loss from yesterday from that dumb trade. No, I've recovered a bit of it. All right, pushing up, pushing up. I mean, I'm very undecisive with this trade. I'm sort of targeting the daily open here, which is at 176. Rob is who we share this channel together with, Satisfy. He was able to crawl out of bed just not long ago to say hello in the chat. He usually joins me in the stream. It is our channel. I did say that. Had a good chat. Alright, let's see if we create a new low here. Push up. Push up. We do love trading. We definitely love trading. Yeah. Do you get found out very quick if you're not transparent? Oh, look at this. I'll let it stop out. Doesn't matter. It's a $50 loss. Nothing. Nothing. Now I want to get in if we retrace here. You're one of the first ones. One of the early Tradeaholic adopters. Satisfy. We'll be handing out prizes soonish. Gold a bit choppy. Was that live streaming in Vegas? You were in Vegas or? Oh. That's why we're laughing, Satisfy. Rob's background. One of his many adventures over the years. Um, Pushing down a bit. Just hovering here, just accumulating. Very tempting to put it along here. I want my money back, man. I'll get rid of this. We're going to hit that target, 150. Mm, 40 seconds. Pushing back down now. Pull back below the 100s. Let's see if we can jump above that previous candle now. You're lucky you haven't heard of the triple count. Wait till I tell you about the quadruple count. That's when he's using his dick and balls. We we're only getting on about 15 minutes before the New York Open. Has enough time to have a chat then. Yeah, we can always get on half hour before open. No problem. 11 p.m. our time. Mm. Just hovering at the 100 mark. We're pushing back up here. What's the book map showing? Okay. Possibly looking for a long here. Which I might place actually. Still coming down. Still pushing down. Uh, uh. Pushing back down. Not breaking that 100 though. That what do they call that level? Round numbers. What they call, Rob? What do they call that? Those round, even numbers. Yeah, thanks, Rob. Well, hopefully you're feeling better tomorrow. If not, stay in bed. We can keep going tomorrow. Yeah, but hopefully you can join us. Thanks, Robbie. All right, I'm going along here. I've gone along. As we say, if it days, it days. I need my money back, man. Took $50 off me before. uh, looks like it might be one of those days today. It's not moving nice. Come on, give us a push up. Gold is pushing down. Gold. Ooh. Up we go. Entry turning into resistance now. Standard. Don't know about these long wicks here. I'm gonna say this: if we get back to my entry, I might take it out. If we get back there. Now that I've said that, it's not going to get back there. Come on. Yes, he's trying to push up. Ah, yep. Oh, look at that. I did say if he gets back up, I'll take it out. And I did say I don't think he's going to get back up there. uh, didn't quite close that gap there. So I'm only down $50, $55 on that account. I was already up about $140 on it. Not too worried. I'm just going to have another look at gold here. Gold. Oh, I really need to have gold open all the time. Ever since middle. Pushing back down. Yeah. Oh, you get certain days. You get certain days where your strategy just doesn't work. You need to know when to pull the pin, so to speak, and say, okay, not going to be my day today. Have a set stop loss, I guess. Whether it's one or two, three trades. Just walk away. I'm walking away. Looking at gold here. That's dumping. Jeez. I should have been on gold. Perfect for the orb. Perfect for the orb. Close there. Stop loss there. Maybe, yeah, hit your first target. Might have gotten out there. Maybe get in there. No, you wouldn't get in there. Yeah, you might get here. Hit back to this target. That's a tricky one. Still going gold. Where is gold going? There's a gap there. We reached that. Big move down for gold. Well, NQ should be moving up. Uh, yeah, well, we do have the initial balance box set. Getting close to the VWAP. We're definitely below the 100s now. Bit messy at the moment. Pushing further down. Gold retracing quite a bit. Chopping around here now. Still chopping around here. Sitting around the 80s. Not doing much, not moving much. Pushing back up now. Into the 100s. We go for another long here. Let's do it. Let's go for it. If it dies, it dies. It might die. There. Come on, push up. Push up. Push up. I'm not liking this. No good like this. Come on, NQ. All right. I wanted to get up there so I can put my stop loss to break even. It's just wild the way it's moving. She's a wild. Oh my god. Come on, push up. Come on. Shit. Mm. Ah, I might take this out. So shit. Close that gap. Come on. Almost out of there, but not yet. Not far away. I'm definitely gonna. Yeah, I'm not gonna say it. Every time I say it, it doesn't work. Mm, this is pushing further down by the looks of it. You can see the pressure coming down. Yep. Come on, get back up there. Ah, you're good. I have to apologize. Uh, we're in a sticky situation here. I'm probably gonna take this trade out when it gets if it gets to my entry, or even close enough. Mm, Yeah, maybe if it gets there. Mm, mm. So yeah, choppy. Not in a trend at all. This is where you just get chopped out, no matter what you do here. This will take me out because it's definitely going to go further down. What's gold doing? Gold pushed all the way back up. Mm-hmm. Big push back down now. Should have gone with a trend, I guess. Should have shorted here, not longed it, but it looked good for a long there. Yep. Glad I got stopped out there. Uh, Couple more minutes before the new hourly candle. 1 a.m. here in Melbourne. We're in the mid 80s now. Pokes with the VWAP. Did not close below it. Giving everyone a false sense of security that we're going to go up, but it'll rip further down. I'm going to look for a short here if we close below that VWAP and go for this level. Maybe even here, actually, halfway. 46. Forming almost an order block here. Let's see if we, yeah, close below the VWAP. Let's see a bit of a retrace up to this level, to the 90s. Yeah. Pushing back up here, back into the 90s now. Is that a range I think you're talking about before Satisfy? I was looking at that during the London session, I think. No, when I initially got on New York session, I think. I sort of mentioned it. I actually drew a box around it. I did this. Uh, yep. Hmm. Gold had a big move down, back up, back to the daily open, and it's just hovered there now. Thank you. Pushing back up. Cheeky. Took that and those lows. Hmm. Still chopping around in the 100s now. Oh man, this action. Good luck. There you go. You would have just got. You get filled in. Yeah, nice. 7 points. That's all right. I usually do. I do scalp 7 points sometimes. I've got a ATM strategy set up for that. Oh, okay. Yeah, I tend to use the lower time frames, the 1 minute, sometimes the 15-second and 30-second time frames when I scalp like that. Yeah, that's good. Mm-hmm. Mm, all day. Yeah, I do that. I do. I go for 10. Usually go for 20 points during the New York session. I'm trying to learn to because I scalp a lot too. I usually go for 6, 7 points as well. Trying to expand on that. Uh, Trying to get these moves now. Like sort of going for 7 points. Go for 20 points. Hmm. It's a big push up now. Bounce off the VWAP. Yeah, that's it. Do 1 or 2 trades a day, and that's it. Nothing wrong with that. Gold has gone flat. Yes, slight retrace. And look at gold. Daily open. On the daily open, sitting above the EMAs, VWAP right above it. EQ pushing up more. Hitting the top of this, of the IB box. I'm going to retrace a little bit here, maybe. Oh, we pushed down there. What happened there? The other limit order, where have you placed it? Short or long? Yeah. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. That move like that's what it's going to do now. Just grab everyone's stop loss. Yeah. Yeah, we could come down now though. It's teasing it. Yeah, it's definitely teasing it. Mm. Hmm. Draw it. I want to zoom out. Thank you. You're on the 15-minute chat, aren't you? Let me just hide the EMAs. Too zoomed out. There, there. Support, support, resistance, breakthrough, resistance. You're gonna come back down. Coming back down. Call this level. There you go. Blues. These ones here. This is your level. Yeah. I would actually draw. Yeah, you can draw a line, but don't be too specific with these things. Yeah. Because you should be drawing a. I usually draw an actual box there. You know, that could be sort of 5, 10 points thick. So I think with trading, nothing's ever precise. Ah, yeah, yeah. Nothing is ever precise. uh, I know it does. It does tap. I've seen it tap lines, and it doesn't always though. If it gets to that level, I'm not liking it. I'm just saying I usually sort of don't be too precise. Don't be with that number. Because you could just look at it as a range, not just a specific figure like this here. What did that do? Missed it by 2 points. Reacted off it. Anywho, pushing back down now, right on the 100, below the 100, on the 100, below the 100. Balance. Yeah. I hear you. I hear you. What's gold doing? Gold going to come back down? Maybe not. Let's have a look at the 15-minute chart on gold. Interesting. Yeah, could push further down. Yeah. In the 90s now, mid 90s. Yeah, it has. Dropping down. Gold dumping. And get to this level here. Gold pushing down. NQ pushing down. Oh, we're not doing much. Tapping on the VWAP. Going to bounce off that. Bounced off it. Oh. Hang on. What'd you say? As a novice trader, I would have maybe entered an emotional short at this very moment. Would I stop hunt myself? Yeah, you got look. It depends. It's hard to say because it's all in context. It depends what you're seeing, what I'm seeing. I used imbalance box a lot, which is the first hour's high and low of the session. So we tend to, and we've done a lot of stats on the imbalance box. Almost 90% of the time, this should come down and touch this box by the end of the New York session. But we've got the VWAP here in the middle and it's bouncing off it. So it's a tricky one. We're about in the middle of the of the range of this range, the New York Open, well, the New York range. Yeah, so yeah, it's all in context, you know. Everyone's different. Everyone trades different. Everyone sees it different. Um, yeah, a short's not a bad call, but this, you know, bouncing the VWAP, almost touched the VWAP there, bouncing off it, bounce off it, bounce off it, bounce off it. Yeah, I think a lot of the algos that the big institutions use to place big orders use the VWAP to fulfill their orders. So VWAP's key. Yes, both sides. So we've still got your we've still got your level up here. There's the satisfy level on the 1 minute chart. It doesn't matter. Doesn't matter what time frame you're on. It depends. Depends, you know, your strategy. Mhm. Yeah, it's respecting the VWAP at the moment, but you know, of course, it could also break through it too. But until he breaks through it, it's respecting it. It's bouncing off it. Uh, moving up. Mhm. Yeah, back into the 100s now. 105, 105, heading towards the satisfy level. Top of the initial balance box, top of the orb. A few targets there. Should have taken along there. What's that? 20, 30 point move, 20 point move. Yes. Depends how much you committed. Where's your stop loss? Is it there? Is it up there? Depends if you committed too much, then yeah, but uh, this is what I mean. It's hard to say like where's your if you shorted there, where's your target? Is it down here or is it further down? Where's your stop loss? Is it there above these or above this? And how much are you risking? Mm. Hmm. It's not too many things for sure. It's the same with long. You need to know where your target is, where your stop loss is, or how much you're willing to risk. Um, where at what point is your trade invalidated? Saying, well, not, well, once it goes past a certain level, that's it. I'm taking it out. Could be any. It could be that. Very choppy. Oh, this is so hard. Ever just trying to get a bit of my money back on that one account. On that one account. You can clearly see I've only made 100. I've only tried those two during London and try to make a bit of extra on this account because it is down. Yeah. I'm just trying to get that back to the green. But 123 down. What is gold doing? Zooming. You know, Rob and I, we did create an indicator on TradingView all about mitigation. But it was built for the Forex market. I actually want to get back onto it to change it for the futures market because it is different on TradingView, the way it calculates its price, and want to make a few adjustments to it. When did you have your profitability learning curve? It was late last year I started to get profitable. It hasn't been that long. Late last year. But it's right now. It's all about trying to add more accounts, trying to get into that certain level. I think it was like I was telling you last night or yesterday. Trying to get as many accounts as you can to that buffer zone. Get into that 50k accounts. Get into the 54,000. So there's two accounts that I'm constantly getting payouts from with Apex. I'm just trying to slowly work those other. We've got another 10 at the moment. 10 or 9, sorry. That I'm trying to get to that same sort of level. Get them to about 53, 54,000. But it's been a long grind. Don't. It's not easy. And hours, not hours, days and weeks of learning videos, all the different methods that are out there. I went through all of ICT stuff. Went through all of, I don't know if you heard of Al Brooks' price action movement, his methods, impact effects. Go and look up if you like all about mitigation. Go and look up impact effects. He's got his own YouTube channel. He also sells courses, but a lot of his stuff is on YouTube. Go and see if you Actually, do that when you get a chance. Go and have a look at one or two of his videos and tell me what you think. This guy's insane. Impact FX. Yeah, go and have a look at some of his stuff. There's so many other. Moving back up now into the one teens, 118, 117. Looking good for satisfies level. Still pushing up. Your short would be, you wouldn't be in drawdown now or emotional. You'd be in tears now. Uh, Now this is everything I've said about regarding payouts. With this is only the future stuff. Don't forget, we did go with Bitcoin and the Forex side of things. But getting used to the futures market, yeah, it took a bit of time. Not too long. I don't think it took that long. Yeah, actually, how we were discussing getting on earlier tomorrow. It's going to be only half day tomorrow, so it might. I don't know if it's going to be worth getting on tomorrow. I'll probably still get on. Don't know if I'm going to do a lot of trading though. Yeah. So exchange will be closed from noon tomorrow, Eastern time. So we'll be on. We'll definitely be on. We'll get on about 11 o'clock our time, PM. So about half an hour before the New York Open. In the 110s. Pushing back down now. Oh, I got a goldie. Oh, you're looking at my Ninja Trader. Yeah, I'm talking about NQ here. I'll flick over back to Trading View chart. Talk about the same thing actually. Pushing back down now. We're back to the VWAP. Go lower. And satisfy short was a good trade. All depends where your stop loss was. If it was up there, then it's a good trade. The news of the day. Use the news to hedge eval accounts. That is correct, yeah. Is it 10 to 11? I thought it was the, okay. It's not the first hour. 10 to 11. Yeah, I usually sort of finish up around about this time. Yeah, 9:30. Yeah, yeah. I thought the silver bullet was the first hour. I mean, I don't really use the silver bullet. Yes. Made a bit of ground on that account. It was actually down at one stage, $480, almost blown actually. I'm down $70 now. Took another little scalp on the way up. For 2 3 weeks. Hey, it played out today. So if it's from, do you reckon if it's from 10 to 11? Mashing along's equal pain too. So that's 12. Hmm. Pushing up. See if it breaks this high. Going towards satisfies level. Might get there this time. It is so. Jesus. Have a look at the 15-minute range. Look at that. It's like a barcode. What's gold doing? Gold. Jesus, what does trading view do that? Pushing back down. Look at that. Gold has pushed back down. We go back to this level. It's very super for. Let's show the silver bullet. I've forgotten about the kill zones. I mean, it's been brushed up on my ICT. ICT was one of the first sort of, what do we call it? ICT was probably the first sort of thing we learned together with Rob when we got into the futures market. No, it was before the futures market. So once we moved off crypto and got into Forex, yeah, the ICT models was one of the first sort of things we learned. So I've forgotten how the kill zones work again. I might sort of revisit that. Pushing back down. Hovering around the 9900 mark. Just love this level. This New York session. We'll go up to 2 a.m. here. 2 a.m. Just hovering around here on the 100 mark. How many times have I said that tonight? That number. All right. I might call it here. It's all right. I've got a couple of accounts in the green. It's been so choppy. All right, guys. Satisfied. Thanks again for joining us. Give us a like on the Yeah, it's 2 a.m. here, mate. I'm getting sleepy. Even though I stay up late, still tired. What's that? Take away your time. It's not our time to shine. uh, nah, it's good. We will live stream. This is only our third week, don't forget, so it's all new to us. I'm still playing around with the template. Make it more slick. Don't worry about the training's fine. Anyway, it's just too choppy right now. So I'm going to throw in the towel for tonight. Not going to hang up the boots though. Thank you, Satisfied, for joining us once again. Whoever else chimed in and had a look, thank you. And Satisfied, I hope you have a good rest of the day. And we will chat tomorrow, everyone. Bye for now. Thank you.